Hello kids, how are you? Yes, this is Shipra with my new DIY activities. So you all remember, let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. So I, Shipra, on behalf of Yellow Class, welcome you for this DIY activity. Today you can see a beautiful simple butterfly on my workstation. Yes, kids, we are going to make this butterfly, which is very simple. Simply follow my instructions and you will be able to make it. It is quite simple. So let me just tell you what all things do we need. I need a thick sheet for the wings. A thick A4 size sheet is good. Then for the circles, you can take anything, any sheets which you have. Like I'm taking this sheet, I'm taking this red color and green color. So whatever is available with you, you can take those bright colors. Look for bright. I don't need a thick sheet now. A thin sheet will be also good. Then definitely glue, definitely scissor, a pencil. Now, the point is that we need to draw some circles in this butterfly. As you can see, for decoration also, we have used those circles. And even this wing also, we have used some circle only. Let me tell you how. For this center part, you can take any sheet again. That's completely fine. So just look in your box where you have your extra sheet of papers left. You can use that. Please don't throw your extra papers. Always make a box and keep it. And sketch pens we need. So we need sketch pens also. And here we go. So for the circle, what I'm doing, I'm taking simple things, simple plate and your small bowls and all, which are available at home in the kitchen. So we don't have any problem in finding such things. We are not using compass for the reason some of you might not be comfortable using compass. So we are using this. I am making a circle, a big circle for the wings of the butterfly. Okay. We'll do first the cutting and then we will stick it together. So for the circle cutting, just take care that you just have to go slow and just follow the same line, and it is easy. It's not difficult, kids. Cutting a circle is not difficult. It's quite easy. Just slowly and slowly do it. Okay, so this is done. Now we will divide it in equal halves and we will cut it from here. Okay, so I have just divided it, the divide circle, into 2 equal halves, and I will use a paper cutter, or you can even use a scissor also, and simply cut it like this. Keep it aside. Basically the wings are almost ready. Now for the circles, I am taking this leftover sheet from my previous activities. So I'm telling you, please, paper is very precious. Don't waste it. And I'm making 2 circles. You can do one thing more. You can just fold your sheet like this, and then you can cut 2 papers together, 2 circles together. Again, I've done. I have taken this sheet. I have folded it into equal halves. I have kept my small bowl here, or you can say a katori, and I have drawn a circle. That is for the decoration of the wings, and I will just simply cut it. Again a circle, I'm telling you, go slow and it is ready. So this is ready. We can just see, yes, that's perfect. Two circles are ready. Again, I am taking a yellow, red color, and I will draw my circle here again. Again, I have folded my paper. See, you can see I am taking my leftover sheets. So I always tell all my kids, please don't waste paper and use the leftover sheets. Now I want a circle smaller to this. A little smaller to this way you can see. So what I'm going to do, I am going to use my glue bottle only. So just take care that you have something which is smaller to your katori or the bowl which you are using, a cap of anything, any lid, anything will do. And now I will cut it. So again, together I will cut two circles. Simply draw the circle and slowly cut it. Perfect. So this is done. This is done. We have two circles for this, the wings. Then we have to make this center portion. So for this, I am taking this sheet of mine. And what I'm going to do, this is again an A4 size sheet, which I have divided into half. Now I will just press it like this. And again, I will fold it like, or you can do one thing, you can just divide it into two halves like this. Simply two halves, you can divide it and you can. So what I have done, I've taken an A4 size sheet. I have cut it into two halves, kept one sheet aside, taken one sheet with me. Then this A4 size sheet, I have folded like this. And with the help of this paper cutter, I am going to cut it into equal halves. And now I will make the face. So I will just fold it again. I'm not cutting it right now. I will just will keep the positioning of my butterfly and eyes and all, and then I will do the cutting of this part. So what you have to do, you simply have to keep it like this together. Okay. Now I can see. Okay. I am finding it little thick, little broad, so I'm cutting it again to little smaller size and making a U also. So what I'm going to do, I will take this only and I will draw a thin small line here from this side. I want this portion, I'm going to use this. I'm not going to apply glue, so that I'm going to use this only. And just draw a single small thin line and make a U out of it. So this U like this. Okay, from here till this area. So this is the back side of your, and these leftover portions we will be using as the stings of the butterfly rose. Simply cut it like this. keep it aside and give a U like this. This time I am giving a U from the top also. So again, I have just simply drawn a U. So I can use it anyways, from this side as a top, from this side as a top. And I will cut it like this. So we are done. Now we will take this and we will stick it. Apply very less glue inside and divide it into two halves. Simply like this. Same way, apply glue in between and divide it into two halves. If we will find it little big, we will cut it again in smaller parts. And this way, we are going to place it inside. So we don't basically need to cut it also. We simply place it like this. Okay. So now we are going to apply little glue here in the center, here, and now in the corners. Very less glue you will apply in the corners, kids, and we will stick it. So this is the way it is coming out. Again, it is going to come out like this. Just see, is it looking fine? Yes, it is perfect. And now press it. So basically, your center part of this is also ready. We will stick the googly eyes, or we can simply make the eyes, but we are doing the googly eyes. What I have done, I have taken two small eyes. And I have sticked it in the center here and again here, and then the nose. For the nose, you can take any of the leftover sheet. So what I will do, I will take a little green color from my box, because I just need a very small sheet, kids. And I will cut a small rectangle like this. Any color will do which goes with your color and combination. I have taken a small green strip and I have cut a rectangle. I will stick it in the center. Like this, and then I will make the face. So a happy smiling butterfly is almost, we are going to finish. So we have done the major part now. Now we'll keep it like this, and in the center we'll make a V, taking both the circles, and this side, the straight side, we'll make a V. Take care that you do it on the straight side. The only major thing to take care is do it on the straight side, and we will cut a V like this. And we are done. we will just stick this. So bottom we'll stick the yellow color, apply glue on this, nicely stick it, take the red color, apply glue in the corners, stick it, again take the red color, apply little glue, stick it. I have not yet stick my this. I will stick it right now. This yellow color exactly near this one. Perfect. And then we will just stick this. So we will just simply apply very little glue this side, half of this, and very little glue okay. Just a second, kids. So we have kept it like this. Now we'll just do the sticking of this part. We'll remove it and we will apply glue here, very less, again here, very less. Taking care that both are exactly at the same position, and we will stick it here. Just by simply pressing this, your butterfly is ready. I will do the outline of the eyes. I am just doing, if you want to do it, do it. If you don't want to do it, don't do it, kids. That's completely fine. So our butterfly is ready. Our beautiful butterfly is ready. This is the one I made earlier. I changed few things and I made this. Okay. If you feel, so this has got little flappy wings and your beautiful butterfly is ready. So I hope, kids, the instructions were clear. It was quite easy. You can make it. So we are going to meet soon with another DIY activity very soon. Till then, take care. It's time to say bye-bye to Shipra. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and stay tuned. We are going to come up with more DIY activities. Bye-bye from Shipra on behalf of Yellow Class.